So class, I want you guys to take a minute and write this down in your notebooks and simplify this math expression. So, Claire, can you tell me what answer you got for 3 plus 9 divided by 3?
I got 4.
You got 4. Max, what did you get?
I agree with Claire. I got 4.
You got 4. Did anyone else get a different answer besides 4? Michael? 6. Now, why is it that we have one math expression, but we have 2 different answers? Michael, how did you do your math problem?
I divided first, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. So then 3 plus 3 is 6.
Okay, so we have divided by 3 first and got 6. Did anyone else get 4 besides Max and Claire? Carly, what did you get?
I got 4.
You got 4. How did you get 4?
I added 9 and 3 first,
Mm-hmm.
and then
So we had one math problem, but 2 different ways to do it. And we came out with 2 different answers. Now, is this possible? Can we have one math problem be equal to both 4 and 6? No, I'm seeing some heads shaking, that's right. We can't have both 4 and 6, so we need to follow our order of operations. Order of operations allows us to all get the same answer. So, if we look over here at our VIP, our order of operations is going to be, can someone tell me what the P is going to be, Claire?
parentheses
Mm-hmm.
and other groupings.
Amanda, what's our E going to be?
Exponents.
Vanessa?
Multiplication.
Jess?
Division.
Marissa?
Addition.
And Max, what's our last one going to be?
Subtraction.
Awesome. So our order of operations is going to follow parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Another way to remember this order of operations is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Class, can you repeat that with me? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Right. So when we solve an expression, or when we simplify an expression, we need to follow these orders. Except for multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, move from left to right. So if we had, for example, 3 divided by 1 times 4, which one would we do first? Multiplication or the division? Jess?
Multiplication.
You would think that because of our order of operations, but for multiplication and division, you move from left to right. So you would do 3 divided by 1 first, which is what, Claire? 3, awesome. And then you would move to multiplication. Michael, what's 3 times 4?
12.
12. Okay. So, if we were to go over our original problem and do it with our order of operations, Marissa, what's our first step going to be?
Divide 9 by 3.
Yes. And what's our last step going to be in simplifying this expression, Amanda? Tag. What's 3 plus 3 going to be? 6. Now, class, when I write things on the board, it should be going down in your notebooks. So,
Do you have to write all of that? Even the wrong one?
no, you could just write the right one. So you would follow the order of operations. Make sure you copy down this order. And then we'll do an example problem together. Your paper should look like the board.
Oh.
Are there supposed to be 2 parentheses?
Yeah.
So that we can see?
Sorry. Thank you.
Can we use calculators?
No, we're not using calculators today. So the paper should look like this. You should copy down scale order of operations so that you can refer to it when you do your homework. Okay? Is everybody ready? We're going to do this problem together now. So Claire, what's the first step that we're going to do?
First, I added 18 and 3. I got 21.
Why did you add 18 and 3 first?
But that's the key and that's parentheses.
What's our next step going to be, Jess?
Multiply 21 by 5.
And what's that going to be, Vanessa?
Do I have to do that in my head?
Just take a moment.
105.
What's our final step going to be, Michael?
At 16.
And what do we get for that, Max?
I think 111.
No, let's check that. Amanda, what did you get for 16 plus 105?
121.
121. Max, what's 16 plus 105 going to be?
121.
Did anyone have trouble following the order that we did? Carly, is this the same thing that you did? You did parentheses first, followed by multiplication, and then, okay. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of independent practice problems. that you guys can work in pairs to solve. So pair up and solve these or simplify these expressions. Yes, ma'am.
And so it's all in the parentheses.
When
When it's all in the parentheses.
So are you guys working together? You guys need to work together. You guys help each other out. You can't be sick people.
No, just 20, because you have to do that.
Oh, yeah.
So 40
Divided by
is 2
plus 3.
I don't get these next year.
I think they're the same thing. So,
But isn't it? No. Okay, because these are in parentheses.
oh yeah, okay, so 144. And then,
Oh, okay.
and then negative 144.
Okay. So this is 40. 5, 6, 40. 5, 40. Divided. Please see, I do not Sally parentheses. First. And 5, 20.
Mm-hmm.
We got 5, 144, negative 1, 2, 3, is 5. So this is what, what is it? Are we right? We got 100. And what is negative? We're still negative. Oh, because that's square negative. Okay, that's what it is. -1.
Quick question.
So do you know what this building is like?
The north end, the plans all
Just open the house back.
Just multiply this number again by how many times that is, so it's 2. So if you multiply this same number 2 times, that'd be -12 times -12.
So you need to show your work. So you want to try again and show how you work. Amanda, what did you get for the first one?
I got 5.
You got 5. You want to come up on the board and show your work?
Can I bring my picture?
Yep.